Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are staying well and safe. And just remember, if you're not subscribed, please press that subscribe button. Subscribe, and also press that bell. Today we're going to be working on whiteheads. And my problem with my whiteheads are around my mouth, and don't worry if you can't see them now. I'm going to be attaching pictures where you can see them properly, because trust me, I have a lot of whiteheads. So as you go along the video, make sure you watch it towards the end. Make sure you watch the whole video, obviously, and then I will put in the pictures in between. Now what you want to do, you want to get some hot water and just place your face over it, or you can just get a fabric, place it in the boiling water, and you can tell this water's hot because you can see the steam. You can see that steam, and then just dab the area that is mostly affected by your whiteheads and blackheads. My problem area is my nose and my mouth. And then what you're going to do, whilst your face is wet, you're not going to go along and apply your mask as yet. You can either use toothpaste and lemon, or lemon on its own or toothpaste on its own. And what you're going to do before you apply the mask, just rub the toothpaste along the affected area. You don't need too much. This is just going to help to extract the blackheads and whiteheads. And we're mostly focusing on whiteheads today. And then you're going to let it sit there for at least 2 minutes. And by the way, if you're wondering what toothpaste this is the cleansing charcoal toothpaste. And I can really feel that burn, which is really good. And this tip that I'm giving you is, trust me, it is a 10-10 tip, because when you mostly just apply just a mask on its own, it does not work. You have to go the extra mile if you really want to get these things extracted. So whilst this is doing its thing, I'm going to just go along and just get my mask ready. I do have the peel mask that is actually made for just the nose area and the mouth area, but I'm not seeing the end result that I want to with that. So I'm going to try and directly apply the paste in the exact shape that I want, and I can also apply as much as I need as well. Then you're just going to go ahead and dip the fabric back into the boiling water and just dab the affected area. And just remember, if you're going to use the other method where you steam your face, please apply a towel over your face to get the full result. Now that the affected area is damp, make sure it's damp. And what you can do is, you can apply baking soda as well instead of the toothpaste. The baking soda, I would say, actually does work a bit better. You're then going to go along now and then apply the peel mask. Oh gosh, this hasn't been opened. Bear with me guys, bear with me. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Oh gosh, honestly. And guys, I'm going to be applying a lot to the affected area because I want to be able to peel it off. And when you're applying this to your face, you should be able to feel the burn from the charcoal toothpaste or even just normal toothpaste that we applied before. And just remember, we're only focusing on our affected area. And if you have blackheads or whiteheads on your cheeks, do the same routine for your cheeks. This area here and here and here are the areas that are badly affected. And see, when you're using your own paste, you can get it to how thick you want, and you really get that consistency that you want. There we go. And then this should be thick enough to peel off. And then what you do, relax, have a cup of tea, have some wine, have a glass of wine, lay in bed, have a nap, do some chores, do some washing, do some cooking, and just let this set on your face. And then after, you're going to peel it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and relax for a little bit, for about 30 minutes, let this harden, and then I'll be back. And then I'll be showing you those outstanding results. So guys, it has fully hardened. I managed to even paint my nails. Yeah, my nails are wet. Can you see all those whiteheads? I don't know if you can see them properly, but look how much whiteheads has literally come off. Like, OMG. Like, oh wow, that's absolutely amazing. And then, oh, my nails, I just ruined my nails. And then again, absolutely amazing results. And this is the bottom one. Oh, it keeps folding over, which is so irritating. I'm trying to show you guys the result. This is the bottom one. Can you see all those whiteheads? All here. So guys, it's clear that we've had very amazing results, and don't worry, I will take a picture of the strips so you can get more of a clearer look. And as you can see, that my whiteheads are gone. And guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell, because I have new content coming out for you every day, because I want you guys to be the best version of yourself, because I have beauty tips, like so many DIY beauty tips that I want to teach you. So please ensure you are subscribed and press that bell.